Now let us see one thing. Today's question is bottom view of binary tree. Okay. Now, so for this question is very good question. Now let's start. Uh, Before you had done top view of binary tree, then it will be very easy for you because we are doing slightly thing in this and previous code. Okay. The concept is same. Take the vertical line, take the vertical lines and print that thing. Now let us understand with an example. Okay, so uh, take the vertical levels. The root node is 0 level, the left is -1 level, and -2 is vertical level. So on its right, its vertical level is 1 and vertical level is 2, like that. So now you must take a queue. Okay, and queue, put it node 1 and its line. Okay, now uh, put this now. So it is good now. uh, Pop it. Okay, so after popping it, you should put it on a map. So okay, now map will store our line and key value is line and by and node. Okay, node, which node is going to this. Okay, now first uh, for line 0, it is pointing to what? It is pointing to node 1. Okay, now uh, if you will traverse to its left, we find 2. Now put it on a queue with label -1, with label -1. Okay, with label -1. Now and put its right also, because level 3 and its label will be 1. Okay, if you go on right, we will subtract -1, and if you go on left, you will subtract -1 on the previous line. If you go on the right, then we will add 1 on the right side. Okay, now now we have done this now. So okay, now pop it. Now okay, pop it. So now pop it. Now we will pop this. So after popping this, we will check that the next new line is or not. Okay, so -1, for -1 the value will be 2. Okay, now so we have popped 2. Now we see that we will traverse 2 lefts and 2 sides. If you go 2 lefts, then we will add 4 and its level is increased by +(-1), because we are going to left, so it will be -2. Okay, and if we will go its right, then we will increase its level by 1, so it will become 5, 0. Okay, now we have done this so far. Now simply, now we have traversed our 2. Now let's pop 3. Okay, now we are getting the new line, so we will just put it our in a map. Now um, we have done I have done this. Now 3 found 3 left is 6. Okay, 3 left is 6, we will push into our queue. 3 left is 6 and so will be 0, because the previous line is 1. Now okay, and we will push also 7. We will push also in we will push also in 7. It's like glitching due to our network connection. So guys, please patience and wait it. Now it's corrected. So um, we will push 5. Now we'll put 6 and the right is 7. Okay, 7 comma 2 because its previous line is 1 now. Okay, now we have traversed our 3. We have traversed our 3. So okay, now we will pop our 2. We will pop 2. We will pop 2 and we will getting a minus 2 and the value is 4. Okay, now the value is 4 while popping this thing. Okay, while popping this thing the value is 4. Now we will force left and right is force left and right is not, so we will simply return back. Okay, we will simply return back. Now it's also returned it now. So let's pop 5. 5's left is 8. Now put it in on list, put it on our queue. 8, the value will be minus 1. Okay, the value is minus 1. Now 8 because we found that 8. Now let's see. Okay, now we will simply 5's we will simply 5 pop 5 and 0 and simply push 6 and 7 have done. Now pop let's our 6. Okay, 6 6. If we will pop 6, then we will update it on a 0. It will become 6. Okay, now we see that while singing we get our 9. Okay, and the 9 value is 1. Value will be 1. Okay, so we will update on 1 8. We will cut it into 9. Okay, now we will simply pop 7 comma 9's left and right is 0, so no need to worry. Now simply we will pop our 7 comma 2 left side is 0. Nothing had to be considered and the value is 2, so it is not found, so 2.27. Okay, now the one thing remaining is 8. It is minus 1, then we will update it to 8. Okay, and simply 1 and the place of 1 it is 9, so we will pop these things. So we get our at minus 2 place it's 4, it's minus 1 place it's 8, and at 0 place we will get our 6. At 1's place we will get 9. At 2's place we will get 7. So finally this is our bottom view of this tree. Let's code this guys for better understanding. Now we will simply make a 2 map okay, and a queue. Okay, queue, take a pair and a pair we will simply a node and line, that is queue. Now create a vector so that we can store if root equals to none. We will simply return our answer. Now q.push our root and initial line will be 0, while q.empty while q.empty auto id q.front. Now we will pop this. So uh, our node will be rt dot first, and our line will be int line will be rt dot second, So now let us see one thing, guys. uh, we will update in our map, so that map we are storing map in our line and node. Okay, so m of line equals to uh, node data. Okay, if node left, if we found any and left, we will push into the queue with node with value of left, and line -1, because we are moving to left. Now if we will moving to right, okay, now we will simply q.push node right line +1. Okay, now for doing so, we will traverse in our map r2itm and start push back rt dot second. Okay, rt dot second. Now return, and now let's see it's running fine or not. Now it's running fine. Let's check that we are getting the our correct answer or not. So hopefully, guys, you like this video. Thank you.